Let us start. I am Ankush Durgi from Belgaum. I am giving a question that directly related with the Vedic maths for the 10th class students. Yes, come on here. Question is 9 triple 0 9 into 9. 1 minute. Whenever I say, please start. Yes, come on. Start. 81. Wow, super. Very nice, very nice. Please, once again and loudly. 81. Wow, super. Thank you. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you, 10 students. Please, your school name.
Saint Sebastian High School.
1 minute. Single student, please.
Saint Sebastian High School.
1 minute. Loudly, please.
Saint Sebastian High School, Loleim.
Very good. Please.
Saint Sebastian High School, Loleim.
1 minute. Loudly, please.
Saint Sebastian High School, Loleim, Konkon, Goa.
Very good. Please, your good name.
Mayur Asnotikar.
Very good. Madam, how do you feel about this technique? Yes?
Good, very nice.
Loudly, please.
Good, very nice.
Very nice. Okay, 1 minute. Please, madam, your subject and your name and school name, please.
I am Sister Clarice from St. Sebastian's High School and I take mathematics for 8th, 9th and 10th students. So this technique, what I have seen from you, sir, it is very interesting and it is creating more interest in the students also. So I thank you on behalf of the school, the management and all the teachers.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yes, thank you very much. Yes, 1 minute. Yes. 1 minute. No, it's okay. 1 second, close and start. Here, 1 minute. Thank you, Loleim High School, Goa. Thank you very much. Namaskar. Okay, 1 minute. I am giving question for you. Is it clear? 1 and 1. There are 10 ones. Then it's a square. Yes, come on, please. Loudly.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow, super. Yes, very nice. Okay, please your name and your school name and this village and state.
My name is Paras Naik. My school name is Saint Sebastian High School, Loleim. And this village is Loleim.
Thank you, Goa. Konkon, Goa.
Loleim, Konkon, Goa.
Very good. Thank you very much. Yes. Wow, very nice. Thank you.
Earlier, but I have first time have seen a person really in front of me who is speaking on the Vedic mathematics and easy tricks for our students to get the problems done, so to find the solutions, squares in an easy way. So
Yes.
very nice. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Please your good name.
My name is Sushma Vedip
Yes.
and I'm a science and maths teacher teaching in St. Sebastian High School.
Very good. Thank you, madam.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. That is 9 and 9. 3 nines are there. Into 3, 4. Come on.
3, 6.
Wow, super. Very nice. Please your good name and class and that city and that state.
My name is Siddesh Karar.
1 minute, loudly, please.
My name is Siddesh Karar. My school name is St. Sebastian High School.
Konkon, Goa. Yes, Loleim, no?
Loleim,
Yes.
Konkon, Goa.
Yes, very good. Thank you. Teachers are there. Very nice. Okay, another teacher here. Okay, come on. Very good. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. Yes. I am now giving question for you. Okay. 9, 9, 9, 9 and 9. There are 5 nines. Into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Come on. Now time start yours. Start. Wow, wow, super, super. Very nice, very nice. Yes, very nice, very nice. Okay, okay, thank you, thank you, thank you.